Hey friends, so a few days ago I noticed that Maine started getting these little patches on her where her fur was coming out. And I consulted with a veterinarian and also, of course, did lots of research online and stuff. And what I found to do, the best thing to do to help her would be to give her a bath. And they suggest that you use any kind of dandruff shampoo and then follow that up with some like athlete foot cream because that kills funguses. And that's what the veterinarian said that this likely was. So it is time to try and bathe Maine. Now this is probably contagious. If she's got it, then Georgia's probably going to come down with it too. But Maine is a little bit easier to get along with, so we're going to start with her, and then maybe tomorrow we'll do Georgia, seeing how after we see how Maine fares. So I just thought I would share this with you. It should be an adventure. Wish me luck.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
Alright, well, Maine needs a bath. This isn't going to be fun for either one of us, I promise you. Alright, so I want the water just right. Some shampoo in the water. I'm not going to like this, bud. Sorry. I'm coming for you, though. Comfortable. Gonna do this quick, okay? I am so sorry, Maine. You are doing so great, honey. Yes, you are. So sorry I got it in your face. Okay, let's make sure you're getting rinsed, alright? You gotta rinse all that off, okay? Man, what a good girl. What a good girl. Oh, I'm so proud of you. I am so proud of you. Oh, good girl. Take off. What a good girl. Oh, I am so proud of you. Oh. I know, it's weird out here, huh? It's so weird out here. It's so weird. I know. Get you as towel dried as we can. Let's get some pea flakes entered into the sitch for my good girl who did so great. Yes, you did. You did so great. Yeah, shake that water off. More beef legs. More beef legs. Yeah, you smell like a wet guinea pig is what you smell like. Yes, you smell like a wet pig. Get you good and dry. She just let me do this, Vic. She just let me do this. Yes, you are. You're a good girl. I am amazed how good you are. I am amazed. I promise you your sister would be a whole different story, wouldn't she? Oops. Well, Maine is adapting way better than I thought she would. She's quite happy. So I put the towel in there in case she didn't like the feel of the grass. She could get on something else, but she doesn't care for that towel. She's fine on the grass. And she's in there munching. Coolio. Come out in the sun a little bit. Well, there's not really sun, but that wind will dry you. I guess I should just move that towel, huh? Yeah. So I put this plant in there. See if she's going to eat some of it. She's like, well, maybe. Nah, maybe not. She did come out to see what it was, though. I think the wind's a little bit weird for her. Aw. But she's okay. Alright, so I just went in and got Georgia, and that was fairly easy catch and fairly easy deploy. And I'm glad Maine's out here to make her feel more comfortable. But yeah, that's what's happening. She found the grass. Yep, she did.